The ATP GC2-4840 battery, designed and manufactured by ATP Battery, is a 48-volt, 40 amp-hour lithium iron phosphate battery specifically designed for deep cycle applications. It was released by the end of the year 2022. The battery supports 1C of charging rate, therefore the opportunity charging is easily achieved. Thanks to the superior battery cell consistency, homogeneous impedance along the main charging-discharging path, and 2 amp of cell balancing current, enable the battery to deliver up to 4,000 charge-discharge cycles before experiencing degradation. The actual number of cycles may vary depending on the operating conditions. The GC2-4840 battery is ideal for use in different applications, such as golf carts, AGVs, aerial working platforms, and ground support equipment. The GC2 battery incorporates several advanced features, such as a field gauge that, utilizing Coulomb counting technology, can bus communication together with CAN-open protocol for seamless integration with other systems. 2 ampere of cell balancing to ensure optimal performance and longevity of the battery cells, and a self-heating capability that to maintain performance in low-temperature environments. The BMS also incorporates a certain amount of non-volatile memory, known as EEPROM. This memory is used to store various BMS parameters and operation history related to the battery system that user may access via Bluetooth or CAN bus. Last, but not least, the charge and discharge control are implemented by high-side MOSFETs, and the overall design is compliant with UL 2271 and UL 2580. Inside the GC2-4840 battery, there are 16 strings of cylindrical cells, which provide a nominal voltage of 51.2 volts. The battery is designed to meet the IP67 rating, ensuring its durability and resistance to water and dust. Each battery undergoes waterproof testing before it is shipped out of the factory. A notable feature of the GC2-4840 battery is its true parallel connection capability. Up to 15 units of GC2-4840 can be cascaded in parallel to provide up to 600 amp-hour, or 30 kilowatt-hour, of energy. Simultaneous charge and discharge to this battery bank is allowed, thanks to the built-in BMS that's safeguarding these operations. Let's take a look at the top cover of the GC2 battery. In addition to the M8 insert terminals, there are 2 additional connectors on its positive and negative terminals. This thoughtful design allows for a convenient parallel connection. Furthermore, the top cover features a color-coded SOC and alarm display integrated into a multi-function button. By pressing the button, users can easily check the SOC level and the alarm status, and could switch on or off the battery, or activate the sleep mode as needed. 2 CAN bus connectors are provided for uplink and downlink communications. To address extreme operating conditions or in the event that the battery is at risk, a vent wharf is installed to release excessive pressure or gas buildup. At the center of the top cover, there is a large heat sink that effectively dissipates the heat generated by the battery. Here we introduce 2 unique technologies invented by ATP Battery, the OptiBalancer and AmpLimitX. A severe battery imbalance, particularly in LFP chemistries, can result in premature completion of the charging or discharging phase. The OptiBalancer is a cell balancing circuit that can deliver a balancing current of 2 to 2.5 amps. It effectively balances the batteries, particularly for large capacity batteries. Importantly, it prevents the battery from triggering OCV protection, ensuring that the charging cycle is ended by the charger rather than the PCM. The AmpLimitX is a hardware current limiter that restricts the current between parallel batteries to a safe threshold until the SOC level reaches equilibrium. This prevents MOSFET breakdown, copper trace melting, ruptures, electrolyte leakage, smoke, fire, and even explosions caused by significant amount of mutual charging current. Here are the summarized features of the GC2-4840 battery. In the following videos, we will show you more details about the operation, performance, and teardown of this battery. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any interest in our products and services, please feel free to contact us at sales@atp-battery.com or visit our website at www.atp-battery.com.